Wanna know how to use Tap to Translate feature on Google Translate app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. So as you know that Tap to Translate feature is a feature of Google Translate that allows you to use this translation feature on any other apps. So for this, I am going to go to any other app. Let me choose YouTube. I'm going to tap on this magnifying glass icon next to this profile icon on the top. So you can see that I am going to enable this Tap to Translate by tapping on this Translate New Translation. And that's it. You have a Google Translation demo over here. So let me tap something. So I am going to tap on it and tap a new translation on the bottom right. Insert here anything. Let me insert this one and then I'm going to translate it into Spanish. You can see that, or let me do it into Italian. So yes, this is it, and I'm going to copy it by tapping on the bottom right. So I'm going to insert it and search for this particular, and then search for this particular translation. This is it. Life is Beautiful is known as La Vita e Bella, which means it's a particular movie that I was searching for. So this is how you do it. You can use it for any other apps as well. So this is how it works. Isn't this beautiful? And the easiest and the most cooperative translation feature? Well, this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you. Now go back and use all of the translation feature and make your translation more better and find the best videos and explore the most. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.